Hello, welcome back to the gaming. So today I am playing in my world today. So there's that quicksand I had. Here's the quicksand. It's awesome. So right now I'm just gonna drop down here. No, I fell. Oh, I wanted to poison it. And also, there's some quicksand right here. You can make quicksand traps if you even like. Just as a key for put quicksand in. And also, I am right now going to put so right now I am going to go over here and switch to survival, and let me get the materials to build the end portal. Where is it? The nether. Yeah, it's the nether portal. Have you guys ever heard about that? So what you need is some obsidian and some flint and steel. This is only in Minecraft. This is not in real life. If you do this in real life, you'll be arrested. But not if you're a kid. So I'm just gonna build a nether portal with obsidian. You have to build it with obsidian or else it won't not work. If you build it in some other way, but it won't work. But it only does that in Java. I'm right now playing Bedrock Edition. Right now playing Bedrock Edition. If you guys ever heard of Bedrock Edition, if you play Java, you can build nether portals out of different blocks. So, right now I'm building the nether portal. This might be too big. This might be a little too big, but who cares? Let's build it a little up. Wait, I want to break that. I've never played computer. Sometimes I only do that in Roblox, like the other video. It could be up there, down there. So, I'm almost done building the nether portal. Let's break that. Why did I keep breaking blocks? Put that, break that. It could be huge as well. Beep, beep, beep. It could be like this as well. It could be however way you want your nether portal to be. That. It could be however you want to make your nether portal. So, I see you just build blocks. You just go over to flint and steel. Then I'm gonna go down here and I'll hide it. Oops, I'm hiding myself. And you see these? You can break the nether portal as well. Watch. Yep, I broke it. And now do you want to see what's in the nether portal? Oh, why did I just break it? How do you display? And you guys should be on 1.16. If I have to delete this world, you'll never see it again. Wait, a corrupted portal? That's corrupted. Find a corrupted portal. What do I just found a corrupted portal? My God. We just literally found a corrupted portal. What's in this chest? Oh, yes. It's loot. Oh, that's a good loot. Thorns. So some thorns on my helmet. I'm breaking fireball. Already got something of that, so I can build this corrupted portal. Time to build this corrupted portal. Then time to light it and see where it takes us. Oh, that's too small. If it doesn't go like that, that means it's too small of a block. I mean, not a block. I meant a like too small of like a nether portal. So you build it out of endstone. Basically, you can build it out of endstone. This might be good, big enough. Let's see if this is big enough. Let's go over here and it's big enough. I think what's the problem is it's not wide enough. I have to make it a little wider. So, I'm right now just trying to build this. So, I'm trying to get this nether portal to work. So we can see where the corrupted nether portal takes us to. I think this might be good. Let's go to that. And nice. I am going to place it back. Means I accidentally broke it. Broke it. You get it? I break it. If you guys don't get it, you guys don't know anything then. Why do I keep breaking it? So, 2? What does that mean, Dad?
2 minutes left.
2 minutes? left. So I'm gonna do 2 more minutes. Then I'm gonna make another video tomorrow. Hope you guys see the videos. They are pretty amazing. Go check it out. Go check out ZM Wiggins. My dad made the ZM Wiggins thing. He's not in the world right now. But check out ZM Wiggins. It was me when I was a baby, though. It's how to take care of your baby when it's born. And why do I keep breaking it? I better press the right button. But better push the right button. I'm clumsy. I saw another bottle on fire. Okay, it just needs to be a little more wider. So I need to go over to here. It's a space. Then break. Break. Then beep. Then you can just build up. Break. So beep, beep, beep. I think that might be big enough. Let's see if this is big enough. If this isn't, I'm just gonna let this roll down. If this does not work, let's go over to the flint and steel. I can't believe that didn't work. I just can't believe that did not work. It was snowing. And I will see ya guys in another video. See ya.